Oh, it smells nice. Like hot dogs. Hey everybody, DMotovlogs here, bringing you another video. So today we're gonna go to MoToronto, meet that I'm hosting. I'm a little late. I'm with my dad over here. And if you want to say hello, I'll try to put that in. Hello? I think that's enough. How much is it? $13.35? $1337. That's more than enough. It's raining a little bit. Hello.
How are you doing?
Good, how are you?
1337.
There you go.
You have my instructions?
No. Okay, so it's gonna rain a little bit. We're gonna get some raindrops on the camera lens. So I'm expecting around like maybe 20 bikes. There was supposed to be over 80. You know how to do group rides? Okay, so say someone in front of you wants to switch to that lane. I'm gonna go like this. And then you do the same to the other side. You put your foot out, you go like this, and then switch into that lane. If there's a hazard on the road, you could either point to it with your foot, like that, or you just point at it. Yeah, or just avoid it. I think people will catch on. See the rain? It's just like little sprinkles. It's just enough to make it sucky. Get in there, man. What are you doing? I thought you fell for a second. You made a weird noise. Hello. That's Zach.
Zach.
I believe his name's Zach McNeil. Nice to see you again.
Yeah, just spinning so far.
Yeah. That's cool. So you upgrading next?
Next summer I'm upgrading.
Okay. So that's my dad. Oh, it's getting a little wet.
Yeah, it is.
Good to see ya.
I'm not making fun of you, I'm just like surprised. Oh, no, look at the plate. It's like a plate flip from inside my wife. I just took mine off. Yeah, my mechanic's like, yeah.
Oh. Okay. You want to lead?
Do I want to lead? How far do you want to go?
Probably like halfway. Alright, so the MoToronto meet is happening. It's really, really wet and rainy. About 19 or 20 bikes showed up, even though it was really terrible. We were expecting around 80, but, you know, happens. 60 people don't want to come when it's rainy. Everybody flops. It's all good. So we're going to be heading out soon. And, yeah, let's go.
You gotta get that rev bomb.
Yeah, I know. I'm trying to find Wilson. Wilson? Hey Dad, you know where Wilson is? It's up straight, right? It's further away? It's the other way. The other way? You need gas? You're good with gas or you need it?
I don't have to get it.
You don't have to?
No, I don't have to. We don't need to.
What does that mean? Hello everybody, so this is MoToronto. We're gonna go to 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 MoToronto. We We've got about 12 to 20 bikes. I haven't counted. There were 19 when we parked. And it was all raining. That's why it was such a low turnout. The next one's gonna be July 5th. So you guys should come out to that one because it should be sunny. And there should be a lot more bikes. We are expecting around 70 to 80 that were confirmed. And they didn't show up. So only about 20 did.
I think we're going the right way.
Yep, and this is the end of the ride. Okay, thanks for coming, guys. We gotta go.
I got canceled!
Yeah! You got canceled! Okay, let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go! Steve! Steve, wait!
No, no, no!
You're holding up everybody! Yeah! Sorry! His work told him that he canceled and he has to let him know.
I think we went the wrong way.
No, Albion's close.
Huh?
Albion's close.
Oh, is it? Okay, so I'm going the right way?
Yeah, we went there, bud.
Oh, what?
I'm so drenched. Oh.
Look at smoking! Are you gonna continue or do you have to go?
Now the thing is, the throttle, it doesn't take sometimes.
Okay.
It's a dirt or something somewhere.
Okay.
I'll just take off and I'll just go home.
Okay.
You alright?
Yeah, he's good, he's good. What is this person doing? They were stopped at the whole green. Mary's peeing. Mary's peeing.
What?
I'll show you. Mary's peeing.
Peeing.
She's peeing.
Why?
Water.
Oh.
Okay. Me too. That's slow burnout though.
How far do you want to go?
We'll probably go all the way.
Yeah? You're crazy.
I did a little accidental slip. Where are all the other riders? It's such a nice day.
Oh, I know, right? It's beautiful out here. The sun is shining.
I know, like.
I don't understand why people don't ride in this kind of stuff.
Hello guys, sorry my microphone got really messed up for some reason during the end of the MoToronto meet. But anyways, I'm just fixing up my camera. This is Foxy's. It is an amazing place. They treated us like family and I'm really appreciative of that. Steve Light knew the owners and they treated us like family. The grandmother came outside, brought us some towels for us to dry off with. Didn't really help much, but the thought counted so much. Their burgers are great. They do burgers, fries, and some other stuff. All the food there is great. Right now, saying goodbye to everybody. It was a great meet. I couldn't have asked for anything better during a crazy rainstorm like this. Anyways, yeah, we're headed home, and really appreciate you guys for coming out, and you guys invite your friends next time. Last time we had around 50 bikes. This time it started raining. The 80 bikes that were supposed to come did not, and I'm expecting them for July 5th. That is on my social media, at MoToronto Ride for Instagram, and at MoToronto_ for Twitter. You could also follow DMotovlogs on Twitter and DMotovlogs on Instagram for future reference to the meets. On July 5th, there will be the MoToronto meet, the second one of 2015. That one will have the same locations and same times as this one. So that being 11:30 meetup at the Costco parking lot, 100 Billy Bishop Way, Toronto, Ontario. Again, 100 Billy Bishop Way, Toronto, Ontario, at the Costco parking lot. We will either be on the left side, which is the Costco side, or the right side, which is the Home Depot parking lot, on the corner of one of the two that is not empty. Most likely we will be on the Home Depot side as we were today, and you saw in the beginning of the video. Anyways, I want to thank you guys for the meet again. Great time, great guys that I met. Hope to see you guys in the next one. Remember to tell your family, friends, and people that ride, come to it. Peace.